G'day everyone, it's Calvin Sideways from the Cartoon Company.
Right, we're going to pull apart this 3Z powersteer pump. Now this is a test pump. I'm actually waiting on parts. Someone had been in there before me and they'd lost one of the vanes. So I whipped it apart, I had a look. No, actually it came in a box of parts. So I reassembled it. And there's the back cover off. Now take note of where the pin goes. There's a gap here. And when you put it back together, you'll use a 5mm drill bit to line everything up. Okay, I'll put that 5mm drill bit back in there. So that's the back off. You may take a little bit of prying or need to pop a punch in. Now then you've got the vanes here. With a suitable small screwdriver you can just pop in like this and lift each of the vanes out. Take note of the wear marks on the vanes. Because you'll want to put them back in the same way. Now, come on, hey, move, keep going. And I take the vanes out now because it's easier than having them fall all over the place later. And there are different vanes for these. Try a different tool. These ones have got no mark on them, but some of them have 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, I think. I think it goes up to 4, might be more. The trick is, don't lose the vanes, okay? Now you also want to check that each of these vanes do slide in their little slots properly, that they're not sticky. Right, next tricky little bit is there is a clip right here. Right here. Come on. And we very carefully, of course, pop that clip off. Now, these pumps are really easy to pull apart. There's no special real tools that are required. There's just, this is literally the hardest part. And doing it while you're talking and not trying to concentrate. And I almost didn't put it back together. There it goes. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good little clip. There you go. Beauty. Beauty. Little clip. Right, at this point, you can just slide the shaft out. See the pulley? And the shaft? All one piece. This pulley's actually got a bend in it. It was smacked. In a crash, it's got a wear mark right around the front where it was rubbing on something. Real simple. And then we can take, probably need bigger pliers, but we can take that out. Now, this bit may not really slide out easy. Oh, it's going to do it for me. Hit it with your purse if it doesn't want to come out, okay? And you'll notice, oh, there we go. Of course, it's when you're doing it normally, you're going to have your hands covered in powersteer fluid, which is just awesome. Now this little fella here, the outer ring to the gear, it is stepped, and it sits down into a step in here, and it's pinned. So there won't be any wear in here. You want to check for wear inside of here. Got an O-ring. Got another O-ring. Right here. That's hard as rocks. This plate here, now you can see there are ever so slight score marks on there, but I can't feel them at all. Can't feel them. And we'll address that. And then the edges of the rotor here. Not bad at all, actually, not bad at all. Tiniest wee marks on there, they'll just come off. I'll just hit it with just a little bit of emery tape, and just to check that they aren't at all deep. I'm not trying to remove material, I'm just trying to remove the mark so I can inspect it. And then, same piece on this back housing. Like the marks almost, should I get a tissue here, watch. They're almost gone just by hitting it with a tissue, okay? So that pump is totally rebuildable. I do have a new shaft for it. As you can see, it comes with a pulley and the shaft. I'll need to order one of the little vane blades. So we'll grab one of those, order one of those, and we'll pop a kit through that, and we'll make it go. As I said, so easy. My mate in the USA, Nick, could even do this job. It takes a little bit longer, okay, when it hasn't come apart before, but it's certainly not hard. Bang a seal kit in it, put it back together. We do have a valve assembly in there. I'll do a proper video with the rebuild when the parts arrive, and voila, we can fix that as well. There's some screws. Make sure you put it back in the same order. Check everything is clean, spotlessly clean. New seal, new seals, couple of seals, pop it back together. Really easy.